Today I'm taking a look at the body camera. Got our instructions, and we got the camera. This is one of the things I like about this camera that most body cameras don't have, is it actually has a display on there so you can see what you're recording. Most body cameras, you just kind of put it on your chest and you have to pray that you're actually recording what you want to be recording. So it comes with a 1/4-20 mount, so we can actually thread that right onto a tripod, or we can clip that on. On the side we got on off, we got our light, we got a camera, we got movie record, and those lights do actually rotate with the camera. And that camera looks like it goes a full 180 degrees. On the left side, we've got our card, and it comes with a 128 gigabyte card, so plenty of storage. And it looks like we get orientation right there. Now on the bottom, we got our charging port, and we got a reset button. Now on the front, we got our nav menu. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and there we go. That is pretty cool. So let's take a picture. And if we go to playback, we can see we got our 3 pictures right there. And if we want to record, test, 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 test. So now we can swap between images and video. So I'm going to go there, and we'll play that back. Test, 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 test. Cool. So it does have a speaker as well as a microphone, so you can actually hear what you recorded. And then if we want to turn the lights on the front, we're just going to press and hold picture. And now we got lights. Pretty cool. So we got our charging cable. This is USB-A to USB-C. Comes with a card reader, so if you don't have anything that you can use to read that card, you can just plug it into there and then plug this into your computer. Comes with a strap, so if you want to put this around some kind of a bar, you can just clip that up. And then that threading will screw right into the back of the body cam. So great having different options. And something else I just noticed when I set it down, so it actually has a magnet on it. So you can use it just like that too. It's pretty cool. So right now I've got it clipped into my front shirt pocket. And it is pointing up a little bit, but that is mostly due just to the shape of my body. And although the screen does stay on, it does turn off automatically after a few seconds. Things I want to check are going to be stabilization, which I don't think it has. Also just how it sounds, microphone, and how it works in low light conditions. So this room is fairly noisy. So it should be a good test of whether or not it can pick up finer details in a loud environment. Go ahead and take a step outside. Most cameras have a very hard time picking up anything out here. I'm just going to shine a flashlight, see if any of that can get picked up. And I always do recommend testing out a camera the way that you intend to use it before you use it for anything important, just to make sure that you know exactly what the results are going to be. Yeah, it is nice having a little display on the back so you can actually see what you're pointing at. Okay. Yeah, nothing new there. Yeah. That is a pretty cool little camera.